Okay, this is the last problem of the day. Welcome to our last problem of angle concepts. So number 1-10. This problem is super tricky, but don't worry. We can still solve this, right? Because we are mathematicians. So let's play the game. So we have another set of vertical angles, but this time this is getting way trickier. Furthermore, there is no sign on what we can do. But what is important, we just apply the game of supplementary angles, complementary angles, vertical angles, adjacent angles, and so on in order for us to solve for the missing angles which you see right over here. Alright? So now let's begin. First, remember, do we find a vertical pair somewhere? Yes. Angle EBV. By the way, the 5x plus 3 degrees pertains to the measure of angle EBV. So is there another pair of vertical angles with that measure? EBV and angle. Although it can be tricky, so you have to trace where the straight line is. So VBM. Yes. VBM is a straight line. So therefore, angle OBM is also vertical. So therefore, we can make a conclusion that angle EBV and angle OBM form a pair of vertical angles. And that's true. Next, do you find another pair of vertical angles somewhere? Yes, angle EBO. And this one is another straight line. So kung straight line yan, that is angle YBA. Angle EBO and angle YBA form another pair of vertical angles. It forms a straight line. So therefore, it kind of makes sense that, look, remember it says their angle MBA measures x plus 9 degrees. So we know that x plus 9 degrees must be also for angle, must be implied for angle VBY2, right? EBY. And then, look, VBM and YBA. So you know that these both form a pair of vertical angles. And yes, and that is true. Kaya this is definitely true. Wait lang, because I'm gonna get my pencil and write it. Yes, kaya that's the logic. X plus 9 degrees. And then, the 5x plus 3 pertains to this one. So this one here also measures 5x plus 3 degrees. Okay? Ito yun. Tapos yung 2x minus 2 degrees, that's for angle OBS. And where's the vertical pair? Yup, you found it. It's angle EBR. You just have to trace the line. So EBO is a straight angle, and angle SBR is also a straight angle. So we can conclude that they're another pair of vertical angles. So here's the 2x minus 2 degrees. Now, can we solve for the following? Yes, we can. We can start first with the top. Because we have 5x plus 3, which is the measure of angle EBV, and then VBY, which is x plus 9, and then 8x is the measure of angle YBO. So let's solve for the following. So as you can see, your formula is supposed to be like this. 5x plus 3 plus x plus 9 plus 8x is equivalent to 180. Now, all we need to do now is to eliminate parentheses. So it should be 5x plus 3 plus x plus 9 plus 8x is equivalent to 180. Combine like terms. Everything with x, combine it muna. So 5x plus x is 6x plus 8x is 14x. So 14x plus 3 plus 9 equals 180. Combine another set of like terms, which is 3 plus 9, which gives you 12. So it gives you 14x plus 12 equals 180. Now, two-step equation, subtract both sides by 12, and you get 14x is equivalent to 168. Divide both sides by 14, and therefore you should get x is equivalent to, okay, 168 divided by 14. Let's do it here so you can find out. 1, 14, 28, 12. So therefore, the measure of x is 12. But wait, we're still not yet done. because we need to plug in 12 to get the measure. Alright? So 5 times 12, that becomes 60. So therefore, 5x plus 3, this is 63. Then, x plus 9, 63 plus 9, yup, that's 12 plus 9, yup, that's supposed to be 21. And then 8x, yup, that's supposed to be 96. So now let's put them into our problem. Going back to our problem here, we have 5x plus 3. This is supposed to be 63 degrees all in all. So 63 dapat yan. Tapos this one's supposed to be 21. And this is supposed to be 96. To double check to see if they're 180 degrees, let's see. 63 plus 21 is 84. Tama? And 84 plus 96, because 84 is 12 times 7. And then 12 times 8 is 96. So applying distributive property, 7 plus 8, we factor out 12. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 times 12, 180. So tama, this makes sense. Now, can you work on the down part? Yes, we can. Look, it says here that angle RBH is a right angle. So you know that they form a pair of complementary angles. And we know that 2x minus 2, of course, 2x minus 2, 2 times 12 is 24. So you should definitely get 22 degrees here. 22 degrees and 22 degrees. So when we subtract 63 and 22, we should get this angle as 41 degrees. Okay? Now, if you want to get the measure of angle HBE, you should do 90 minus 22. And 90 minus 22 gives you 68. So ito dapat ay 68 degrees. Alright? Now, let's see if we can get the rest. Can we solve for the remnant angle now, which is angle HBA? Yes, we can. Because look, we have 22 plus 41, which gives you 63. And then x plus 9, of course, you know that's still 21 again. So, yeah, tama. We can now add and then subtract that from 180. So, here's how the solution will go. Again, just like what I told you, we have 68 plus anong tawag dyan? X plus 9. That's x plus 9. This, do I remember that's supposed to be 21? And then plus 4, and then plus 63. Plus the remnant angle equals 180. Tama? Combine the numbers. 68 plus 21 equals 89. 89 plus 63, ito yun, di ba? 89 plus 63 equals 12, 9 plus 6, 152. So therefore, we have 152 plus A is equivalent to 180. Subtract both sides by 152. You should get 28. Wow, 28 degrees. So we should get 28 degrees for that matter. So therefore, the remnant angle here, angle HBA, must measure 28 degrees. If you want another formula on how to do this, you can just add everything up together. So you have two pairs of 41 degrees. Diba remember, ito yung formula mo. 2 times 63 plus, diba may dalawa kang 21 dito. So this is the 63. And then 2 times 21 plus 96. And then plus 68. Of course, you have 68 there. Did I miss anything? Let's see. This is the 43, 21, 96, 63, 21, unknown, 68. So, tama. So, you should get up to 360. Then plus the remnant angle, which gives you 360 degrees. Simplify the terms. 2 times 63 is 126. 2 times 21, that's supposed to be 42. 96 plus 68, 164. Plus B equals 360 degrees. Alright? And then from there, we add the numbers. Let's start with 126 and 164. Nine, 290, diba? Now, 290 plus 42. That's supposed to be 332. Tama? Now, 360 minus 332, 8, 5 minus 3. Tama, you should get 28 degrees din. So, that would yield up to 28 degrees. Alright? And now, that's how we do the problem. Now, we've already gotten everything. Now, we can already solve the puzzle. So, what's the measure of angle HBA? Angle HBA, which we got a while ago, is 28 degrees. So, 28 dapat yan. Next. Angle HBE. HBE. Yup, HBE. That's 68 degrees. Very good. How about angle HBY? Remember angle HBY? Nasaan na yun dito sa drawing? HBY. Yup, you just need to add 68 plus 22 plus 60 plus 68 plus 63 plus 21. Of course, that's 84, diba, when you sum these two together. 21 plus 63 is 84. And 84 plus 68 is... Very good. 152. And it just so happens that 152 plus 28, remember it forms a straight angle here, right? So you can, what you call this, just deduct this 28 degrees. That's also another way. So therefore, you should get 152 degrees for that matter. Next, for angle HBO, exclude mo yung 68 degrees. So 180 minus 68. Okay? You should get 112 degrees. Alright? To see what I mean, look, you add up 63 degrees, which is this one, right? That's 63 degrees. And then plus the 21 degrees, that's 84. And 84 plus 28, yup, still 112. It makes sense. Then EBY. EBY, madali lang yan. 84 degrees. Bakit? Kasi nga remember, 5x plus 3, that's the measure of angle EBV. And angle EBV and angle BBY are adjacent. And they make a pair of angles such that angle EBY measures 84 degrees. So that is already confirmed. Next, angle EBM. EBM. This one. 68 plus 28 plus 21. We know that's 49. And 49 plus 28, 49 plus 68 is 117. Or what you can rather do is, ano to? Subtract 63 from 180. We'll see if you can get the same answer. 7. Tama, 117. Next, VBO. For VBO, yup, that's 21 plus 96. That's 117 na pa rin. Diba? Parang siyang vertical angles ng ito, tsaka yung ito, diba? For angle YBM, 96 plus 63. 96 plus 63. So, 96 plus 63 is, correct, you should get 159. Did you get that? Very good, 159 degrees, alright? Exclude the 21. Next, HBM. For angle HBM, 28 plus 21, dali lang yan, 49. Diba? For ABS, which is the last one, ABS, it's 21 plus 41. That's 42 degrees. Or you can do 62 plus 28 to give you 118, and then subtract that from 180, yun lang, to get the answer. And that's it. We now solved our problems.